Ito na po yung request ng karamihan. My Valentine's. Once again, Happy Valentine's po sa ating lahat. If there were no one, nowhere to speak, I would sing. If there were no tears, nowhere to feel inside, I'd still feel for you. And even if the sun refused to shine, even if romance ran out of rhyme, you would still love my heart until the end of time. You're all I need, my love, my Valentine. All of my life I have been waiting for all you give to me. You've opened my eyes and show me how to love unselfishly.